All right, flight number 2 with the Blade 150S in Ireland is gonna hover around. This is only the second day flying. 3 packs, maybe 4 packs, 3. So it's a lot more breezy out today. Can you tell? Start doing some circuits and stuff, you know. There's a calibration procedure that you can do on it too. The trim calibration. Yeah, the wind died down for a second. Now he's just going to fly some circuits, some figure eights, some circles, just to get the feel of it. Plus, it's breezy, so you got to, you know,
Oh, it feels like it's nice.
you got to feel it in different conditions, you know. It just whips around that tail motor, huh? Here, Sloan, come over here. It's a pretty stable helicopter, huh?
Yeah.
So that's hands off, basically, right there. For the most part, the wind pushes it, obviously. The gyro helps, but he's in a beginner mode. You got your timer on, right?
Huh? Yeah. That's max.
Well, that's just for the beginner. Once you start getting more used to flying outside, then you'll up that mode. Get some profile shots. Stay there, baby. Stay on the sidewalk. Wave. Sloan, wave. Wave. You want to say hi? It looks like I'm close. I'm actually like 6 feet away. It just looks like a big helicopter in a small package, you know? Like, it looks good. I mean, back in the Hornet flying days, you couldn't just build and fly out of the box, man. It was a lot of tuning. We're almost 4.5 minutes on the video. Is that your 4 minute? That's it.
I put a frequency on right now, so 4 minutes like.
Well, you were doing a little more thrust, but just be careful. You'll get that throttle drop. Remember?
Yeah.
Well, there it is, second day. Yeah, it's making me more happy, I know. Let's get a good pose for the still shot. Hold it in there. Higher so I can get it in the